Get a customized car interior. Customize your car. Learn to get custom car upholstery, lighting, and more. So you've got a car you want to make all your own. It could be a vintage hand-me-down from Gramps, your modest semi-used starter, or even that hot new import you had shipped in. You love it, but you don't want it to look like it's just rolled off the assembly line. And so you want to get your car customized. When you do, however, don't just think of what it'll look like on the outside. You spend most of your time enjoying it from the inside, so why not customize your interiors too? If you want a customized interior, these tips can help you select unique car seat covers, cool car interior accessories and more. Here's how to get a custom car interior. Mesh and match. Few things look stranger than a custom job with mismatched interiors and exteriors. A sleek, futuristic body does not go well with fuzzy dice and retro-pimp leopard-print seat covers. So when planning how your car will look on the inside, take a gander at it from the outside. Make sure that when you customize it everything's cohesive, and you'll have a mean machine ready for the museum. Roll out the fabric. Now that you've got an idea of how your car will look as a whole, it's time to start with the fun stuff. Exercise your creativity by starting out with the fabric you'll be using for your interiors. Pick a predominant color or theme for your interior and slap it onto your floor mats, door trims, ceilings and seat covers. Most auto shops have a wide array of choices, but if you've got the time, passing through a fabric warehouse will give you oodles of ideas. Suede or leather can give off a luxurious feel, while bold graphic prints will add a fun dynamic if pulled off properly. Just browse through the cloth and see what you like. Harder stuff. While customizing the fabric, parts of your car give your interior more personality. Fixing up the dashboard, door handles, steering wheel, gear stick and other hard bits will lock the look in place. Experiment with different materials, such as carbon fiber, wood, or good old aluminum. If you're on a really tight budget, customization shops can help you out with special interior paint jobs that simulate these materials. Trip the light fantastic. An important part of any structural design is the lighting, and your interior is no different. The color, shape, positioning and brightness of light can spell either the success or failure of your custom job. Neon lights hidden underneath the dash or seats will give you that illegal underground street racing feel, while a dimmer can add a touch of elegance. If you want a more unearthly glow, feel free to toy with black light. Again, it's all a matter of putting together a nice, cohesive look for your overall design. Men at work. Of course, if you've got money to spare, nothing says custom more than metalworking. Take your car to a custom shop for some heavy-duty installations that will allow you to really customize it. The wizards of welding can do marvelous things given time and money. From mechanical additions to total frame changes, customization specialists will make sure that your interiors are indeed one of a kind.